Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the basic concept of direct and indirect narration. Let's start that what is narration, what is direct, and what is the definition of indirect. Then it is a basic concept of direct and indirect narration. Narration, direct and indirect. Direct and indirect. Let's know the definition of narration, the definition of direct, and the definition of indirect. So let's start. Narration means declaration, assertion, and declaration, assertion and declaration. Why the words of speaker? Why the words of speaker? The definition of narration. Narration means assertion and declaration by the words of speaker. Narration there are two types of narration. There are two types of narration. The first is direct. And the second is indirect. So let's know what is the definition of direct. Direct means when the speakers words are expressed in same manner while using inverted commas. Is called direct speech. What is the direct speech? Then when the speaker's words are expressed in same manner while using inverted commas is called direct speech. And what is indirect speech? Let's discuss indirect speech. Indirect speech when the speakers words are expressed by someone else is called indirect speech. When the speaker's words are expressed by someone else is called indirect speech. And what is direct speech? When the speaker's words are expressed in same manner by using inverted commas is called direct speech. Let's see that in direct indirect speech the sentence the sentence is divided the sentence is divided in direct speech the sentence is divided in two parts. In direct speech the sentence is divided in two parts. The first part is reporting verb. And the second part is reported speech. In direct speech, the sentence is divided in two parts. The first is reporting verb and the second is reported speech. So let's discuss what is reporting verb and what is reported speech. What is the definition of reporting verb and what is the definition of reported speech? So let's discuss what is reporting verb. Reporting verb. Reporting verb. It is the speaking. It is the speaking process. It is the speaking process of the speaker. It is the speaking process of the speaker and verb is used here and verb used here. And what is reported speech? What is reported speech? This is reporting verb. Reporting verb, it is the speaking process of the speaker and verb is used here. And reported speech, it is the original words of the speaker. Original words of the speaker. It is the original words of the speaker. Let's know one using example. Mohan says to me, I shall not give you my book. I shall not give you my book. Mohan says to me. Mohan is subject of the verb and to is object of the verb. Then the whole sentence is clause. The whole sentence is reporting clause and says is reporting verb and says is reporting verb. So it is a reporting verb and this sentence is reported speech. This sentence is reported speech and it is inverted commas. So reporting verb and reported speech, and the whole sentence is direct speech. The whole sentence is direct speech. If we talk about the whole sentence, then it is direct speech. It is direct speech. So, guys, this is the definition of reporting verb, reported speech, and narration, direct and indirect speech. So it is all about it, and tomorrow we will discuss about assertive sentence, and we form the direct, indirect from direct speech. So आज के लिए इतना ही, see you tomorrow.